Hello, welcome to the video today. Today we're going to look at a project that I've worked on in the past for a lot of different years. It's called HometownShops.com. And the shops is spelled the old English way, which is the OPPES. You can go look at it at any time that you like. And this has the my local restaurants, entertainments, all kinds of different things. So, what I wanted to show you is, first of all, I'm going to come down here and go into like Madison, Connecticut. And in Madison, we have links in here. And I can go in and say, search for Madison, Connecticut American food. And it shows me all the restaurants that have been categorized as American food. So these are called categories. I'm going to open up one of these. This is Elizabeth's Cafe. And you'll notice that this theme shows all the categories in different colored boxes across the top of the post. And so if I come up here and say edit the post, this is my editor now with all the things that I'm working with. So I've got an image in here, a description of this particular business. And then I got a link in here for a phone call, for getting directions, for going to their website. And this one has a Facebook account. They have a Twitter account. So I can get to any of those. That should be changed to an X now since Elon Musk messed it up so bad. Anyways, down here on the right side, if you scroll down, you will see that here's a list of all the categories with checks on the categories that this particular post belongs to. And one thing of note is that if you unchecked or checked another category, you want to hit update before you close the window, otherwise it won't save it. And then if we wanted to, what I wanted to show you also is down below the categories, there's a spot here for tags. And so I want to put in here parties, because they mention parties up here in there. Perfect parties, catering. Maybe catering should be a tag too, so I'm going to put that in. See if I got it spelled right. Yep. And then you gotta, after you do that and hit add, that puts it in. You see it down here. You also have to push update, tap on update in order for that to get saved with that change that you just made. And now, and I just recently added to the front page the tag. It was called the tag cloud. So I'm going to go back and look at the website again. And now as I scroll down the right side, we have a display one category right here. And then we have, this is the tag cloud, which now has catering in it, and brings us back to Elizabeth's, and parties, which also brings us back to Elizabeth's. So these are categories and tags, which are uniquely separate things, but there are great ways to take all the content of your website and be able to quickly and easily make it really user-friendly for people to go through and look for things in one particular category. If you want to look at museums. So it rather quickly and easily lets the end user find what it is they're looking for. And it's helpful. And it makes them like what you did and come back for more. So, the pizza, if I click on pizza, comes up with grand. Sweet treats. Okay, comes up with pizza. So I got a problem in there. So anyway, the other thing I wanted to show you is some of the plugins that I use continuously. One I have used for a lot of years is called All-in-One SEO, and this helps your search engine optimization on your website, and it helps you get things more in tune with what the search engines are looking for. So if I come back to my posts, okay, I'm going to go back to the front page to get to this. So this is Goodspeed Opera House. So if I click on Edit Post, come into here, and then this shows you, this is AIO SEO, and this is showing you what it's going to look like in Google search or Bing search or whatever, and shows you basically how it's going to work itself, and it gives you you can add or change any of the items that you want. You can add a focus key phrase. And it tells you good and bad things about all the pieces of your content that you've put up. And it lets you go in and work on it and get those numbers to come up higher so that they rank better in the search engines. Okay, and I'm going to split this video into two parts because I've got to put this online for you to watch while I'm finishing up the other part. So thank you for visiting, and we'll be talking to you.